I absolutely hated this thing. This is a gimbal for your camera, and I actually never liked using one. It's chunky, annoying, and it's a pain to set it up. And that's why I was dreading purchasing one about 3 months ago. I finally gave in and got one for myself, and it kind of blew my mind.
Please do not get in my way. You cannot drive in my lane. Tires is burning the pain. You don't have nothing to say. This is how legends are made. I know I got what it takes. And I'm not pumping the brakes. And I'm not pumping the brakes. I'm too competitive. I like the narrative. I don't know best in the league. Who you comparing with? That isn't competitive. Top of the throne, it is me. How you moving slow when it's speed? I just been bringing the heat. I just been bringing the.
But the footage that I got from this gimbal, it was buttery, smooth, creamy, silky. Pick your adjective. I absolutely found it beautiful. Check out this footage. It just looks unreal. Sitting inside a car, there was no possible way for me to actually get beautiful, smooth footage like this by just holding the camera. No matter what kind of stabilization you might have in your lens and your body, doesn't matter. Without a gimbal, just not possible. Also, this is the gimbal that did it all, the Zhiyun Weibo 3S. And before you think this is a sponsored plug or that it might be a review video, trust me, it is not. I actually spent my own hard-earned money purchasing this gimbal, and it was about $383 Canadian. That's what it says on the receipt. Now, once I got this thing actually unpacked, it took me about 15 minutes to set this all up. And once you set it up, it for me at least, it took about half an hour to actually balance this thing, because like I said before, I'm new to the gimbal game. Balancing this thing was super annoying. Now, it didn't help that I was actually doing it for the first time, but I've done it like 3 or 4 times already after that, and it still hasn't gotten any easier for me. But once it was ready to use, the learning curve of how to actually use this particular piece of technology wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Yes, it doesn't help that this thing right here is an extra piece of gear that you actually need to carry in your already heavy camera backpack. And not just this thing, you actually need to carry all these things as well, because even in 2025, most gimbal companies haven't actually found a way to get rid of 2 different types of base plates and have just one Arca Swiss type base plate that actually would fit in everything. But there's nothing I can do about it right now. I actually actively tried to avoid using this in the last 3 months, but every time I used it, my footage seemed more cinematic, more elegant, and it just looked better. And anyone who's thinking of getting a gimbal to start with, the Zhiyun Weibo 3S, even though it is not sponsored, Zhiyun is actually a great option. If you want one, I'll have the link for it in the description below. You can go check it out, all the other specifications of this particular product, but it is a good gimbal to start with. Okay, here's some fun facts about this gimbal. I wouldn't say fun, but a few facts about this gimbal. This is apparently one of the lightest gimbals in the 3-axis gimbal segment, even though I didn't find it exceptionally light or anything like that. But according to the internet, it is. Fun fact number 2, this gimbal, the fill light on it is actually its special feature. You can't find it in any other gimbal, but it does come in handy at times. If it's a feature you want, this is the gimbal you have to get. And third, this gimbal can last about 11 hours once it's fully charged, and it has fast charging as well. But 11 hours, yeah, it's exceptional in the battery segment. Oh, also, before I forget, this gimbal has inbuilt Bluetooth, so you can actually use your phone. There's an app you can download on your phone to actually use this gimbal remotely without even have to touch it. That's an added bonus.
You think that I still owe you anything more than pain, more than the pouring rain? How can there be more to explain? No, I won't go down the drain, 'cause I was there too, always so true, always so blind.
Do let me know if you want a full review of this product in the comments below. I really do appreciate it that you guys have stuck around till the very end. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, do all those beautiful things, and it actually does make a difference.